So your compact iPhone SE4 is still in the works. You'll have to wait a while before getting your hands on it. However, considering the new upgrades and specs that the SE4 will come with, I assume it will be worth the wait. According to Ice Universe, Apple is currently targeting a release schedule between March and May 2025, with a price range likely falling between $499 and $549. I know, I know, many of you may be disappointed to hear this. You might feel that there are many other great options available in that price range with better specs and new features. I understand your concern. However, this is Apple we are talking about. We all know that they are selling a polishing cloth for $19. And we are discussing a phone here. The fourth gen iPhone SE4 is slightly more expensive than its predecessor, which was originally priced at $429. The entry-level 64 gigabyte storage configuration is still available at that same price. So, if you look at the new upgrades that the iPhone SE4 is coming with, it seems to be a fair price that Apple is planning. For those who don't know the specs and features that the SE4 is coming with, here are some details. There will be no 64 gigabyte option this time. The new SE4 is rumored to come with a major RAM and storage upgrade. Leaks suggest that it will have 6 gigabytes of LPDDR5 RAM, an increase from the current SE's 4 gigabyte option. As for storage, you will have your choice between 256 gigabytes and 512 gigabyte options. The base option is a much needed jump over the 64 gigabytes offered by the current iPhone SE 2022. The higher storage options will satisfy users who need a lot of space. Speaking of the camera, it would support 1080p cinematic mode, which is rather interesting because of its single 48 megapixel camera. The current iPhone can't do this, but other iPhones do this by using the main and ultra-wide cameras. It is suspected that new techniques and AI assistants will be utilized for this feature. The leak continues to say that the iPhone SE4 will feature smart HDR, AI photography, and portrait mode. Apple has tried their best to make the SE4 different and new, but many of you may still think that the price is too high. So let me know your thoughts on this iPhone SE4 in the comments. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.